This conference will now be recorded.
Okay guys, so today we are going to perform these steps. We'll install .NET 3.5 on database server. We'll install SQL Server on the database server. We'll install WADK on SCCM server and install all the roles and prerequisite, whatever needed to make a computer as a primary site server. Today is 10th January. January 2019. Okay, so can you give me the public IP of your database server, um, Amit? Amit, you there? Are you on mute, Amit?
Yes, Kasif, tell me.
Can you give me the public IP of your database server?
The Azure credential.
No. Public IP address of database server.
Oh, so just let me log in then again.
You disconnected?
Yeah, I disconnected because just
Have
give me
you
another
stopped?
1 minute.
Okay.
Just only 1 minute.
Okay, you may, if you would like to log in here, you can log in here. Your Azure.
Just 1 minute only. So I'm giving you all the control of my previous laptop again. Is it okay?
Okay. Where the RDP not working?
Yeah. The same
Or
one.
you can do one thing. Put your username and password here on my screen. The
Okay.
Azure credential. Yeah.
Okay. So,
Just type in.
oh yeah. So, ilhari@outlook.com.
Okay.
Outlook.com.
Next. Put your password.
Your password is Amit. No, it's APHI 614. Sorry. My goodness. Morning only I create, not forget.
This is your Azure credential.
Yeah, this is the Azure, right?
Hmm.
What is this?
You don't remember it now?
Why it's happened? Just wait. It's already connected here. Just
Okay.
wait 1 second.
Don't worry. If it is connected, just give me the public IP. But you need to make a note of the password because next time you will not be able to log in.
Okay, now I'm on. I already connected, so you can take the command.
Okay. I just needed public IP actually. But no worries. Can you Okay. Click on date.
Click on.
Give me control.
So the screen sharing.
Hmm?
Where is that? Oh my goodness.
I can't see your screen now.
Screen sharing. Start sharing my screen. Yeah, I already did that one. You can see the screen.
Which one? This one or
Another,
the other?
the other one. Share. Okay.
Okay, this is another laptop or different? Same one.
Yeah, no, because now I'm watching a video on the MacBook, and this is another one. It's a Windows book. So that's why
Okay.
you can keep control. Yeah, I'm giving you all the controls.
Thank you. So, okay, you stopped all the servers, I think.
Is it? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Shitty.
No, yeah. Wait. Let me take the control.
Okay.
You're also taking the mouse?
No, I'll just switch off. Okay.
Now the public IP of database server is this one. You see, this is the public IP. Correct?
Okay.
That's what I needed. 23.99.140.19. This is DB. Then we have to check the public IP of domain controller. That is 168.61.145.220. This one is DC. Then SCCM PS1 public IP 40.122.42.37.
42.37.
This one is SCCM. Now this is the username and password. Amit
Okay.
SCCM@1234. Okay,
Yeah, it's
very good.
capital A. That's all.
Let me share my screen now and show you. So I'm gonna log into all these servers from my end because you have some issue at your end. So either you log in with a different account or use a different computer altogether. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
because looks like the remote desktop connection has some issue. So I just logged into the database. Similarly, I'm gonna log into domain controller, and I think after creating the server, you have not done anything, right? Because you couldn't connect to it, right?
You're right.
Okay. Okay, looks like the public IP, the RDP port is not enabled on this computer. That's the reason I cannot connect to SCCM. Okay, no worries. So in the meantime, let me see which server I am connected to. So this is local server database. Okay. Now let me go to another server. So whatever we have done yesterday in Ray's computer, right? After logging in, we did basic configuration, right?
Right.
Like turning off the update. So I'm gonna do that. So change setting and never check for update. Second is enhanced security. Turn that off. IPv4 is basically we need IPv4 and we don't need IPv6. So now we'll have to install Active Directory domain services to make this as a domain controller, right? So to do that, we have already seen this yesterday. So I'm not going to explain the steps because yesterday we have already done this. So I'm going to choose this, add feature, next, and install. Now let me go back to database server. Now this one is database. I'll perform the same basic steps. Never check for update. Enhanced security is going to be turned off. IPv6 is going to be disabled.
Disabled, yes.
Okay, so good. Now we have to install .NET 3.5 on this computer. Okay, so to install .NET 3.5, we need to go to manage on the database server. Remember, this is database server. Add roles and feature. Next, next, and this is database IP address. Next, and we need to install .NET 3.5. So go next, and we choose .NET 3.5. This is a prerequisite for database. Before we install SQL Server, we must install .NET 3.5. Without this, you will not be able to install SQL Server database. So next and install. So you should be able to install this. It will take like a couple of minutes for the installation to take place. Got it?
Got it.
Now, after this installation is done, we'll start installation of SQL Server. So to install SQL Server, I'm gonna copy one link. So you guys, I'll send that link to you guys too. So I'm gonna choose SQL Server 2014 SP2. This is the one. So I'll copy and send it to you as well. Make a note of it, guys. Everyone, the chat window I just sent. This is SQL Server 2014 ISO file. Okay. So everyone make a note of it. Now, after I copy that, I'll go to start on the database, start, run, and paste the link here and click OK. Basically, I need to download the setup, and the setup is present on my Google Drive. So it will download from my Google Drive actually. Okay, so I just need to click on download anyway. So I'm going to download this on database server. So it is downloading now, and it is gonna take like probably 10 minutes to download the file. Okay, so you have to download this on database server. Now let me see why we are not able to log into SCCM server. STSC. Okay, MSTSC. CMD ping IP config. Sorry, IP config 10.11.4. So 10.11.4 is the IP address of this computer. So 10.11.5, sorry, 1.5. 1.6. So basically you have not enabled the RDP, Amit.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So let me show you how to fix that problem. Can you share your screen again?
Okay.
Give me control.
Control.
So I think I have control now.
You already have? Okay.
So in case if you're not able to connect any Azure computer from public IP, to go to networking and then verify your RDP is not allowed. You did not add connection. So add inbound port rule and choose destination port is 3389. That's the port number to connect the models. Any destination, any rename. Yeah. So basically it will create one firewall rule
Okay.
and you will be able to the computer remotely. Okay.
Okay.
Are you guys able to hear me?
Yes, Kasif, I'm
Amit,
hearing you.
Dheeraj?
Yeah, I'm.
Dilip, Dheeraj, Jagdish?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, just wanted to check. Now I'm logging into SCCM server with the public IP address. Okay, now on SCCM, this is SCCM server, guys. So on local server, I'm going to do the basic configuration. So change setting and change the never check for update. Then IE enhanced security is going to be turned off. IPv4 address. We don't need IPv6. And yes, so all the things are done. Now on SCCM server, we have to install roles and features, whatever necessary to make this server as a primary site server. Clear, guys? So let's verify the roles and feature installation on database. We installed a .NET 3.5. So let's verify what happened on the database. So .NET 3.5 is installed on database server. So I'm gonna click on close. And this SQL Server setup is also downloaded on database server. So I'm gonna close this websites. Now on SCCM server, we need to do the installation of all the roles and features, guys. So let's do that. Manage, add roles and features. Next, next, next. So we need to choose web server IIS, add feature. Next, install all the feature and sub feature of .NET 3.5. Install all the feature and sub feature inside .NET 4.5. So I'm gonna take all of them and choose background intelligent transfer services. Okay, and we have to choose remote differential compression. Next, next. Now in here we need to choose Windows authentication, and give me a minute. Yeah. In here we need to choose ASP.NET 3.5, and inside IIS6 management
Hi, Kasif.
compatibility. Yeah.
Hi, Kasif. Dheeraj here. Sorry
Yes.
to interrupt. Actually, due to some urgent call, I need to drop down. I'll just watch your video.
Okay, fine, no worries. Now, so inside IIS6 management compatibility, we need to choose IIS6 WMI compatibility and IIS management scripts and tools. Next, and install. So basically, we need all these roles and features to make this server as a primary site server. These are the prerequisite. Are you guys following, everyone?
Yes, Kasif.
Okay, so today what we have done, so So we first of all we did install .NET framework on .NET framework 3.5 on DB server.
Yes.
Okay. The second thing what we have done is installed all roles and features on primary SCCM PS. Got it? These
Yes.
are the two things which we have done so far. Okay. Now, the third thing is install WADK on SCCM server. What is WADK? WADK is basically Windows Assessment Deployment Kit that helps you to deploy operating system through SCCM. So if you don't install WADK, you will not be able to install SCCM and you will not be able to deploy operating system through SCCM. Okay.
Okay.
So that's a prerequisite before you install SCCM. So let's install that WADK on SCCM. So to install WADK, we need to go to google.com. We are on SCCM server, guys. Okay. And on Google, we need to type in WADK download. Sorry, WADK download. WADK Windows Assessment Deployment Kit link is here. Download and install Windows ADK. Now, this link will help you to download the WADK. There are multiple versions available. I'm going to choose WADK 1803. This is the one. ADK for Windows 10 version 1803. And then run this. Now this window will come. We just have to click on next. Next. Accept the license terms and agreement. Now for SCCM, we don't need everything. We just need a couple of things here. Deployment tool, which contains the boot images, right? Second is Windows pre-installation environment, which helps you to deploy operating system over the network in WinPE environment. And the third is user estate migration. This one. User estate migration is used when you deploy operating system from when you are upgrading operating system from Windows 7 to Windows 10. So basically it will capture the current user setting before the migration starts. So to capture the computer user setting, you need USMT. So these are the three things: deployment tool, Windows pre-installation environment, and user state migration. You just need to click on install. And these roles and features also got installed. So I'm going to close the server manager. Now this one WADK is getting installed. It is going to take somewhere around 15 minutes, I think 10 to 15 minutes to complete the installation. So this is the third thing which we have done today: install WADK on SCCM server. Then install SQL Server on DB. Okay. install SQL Server on database. So let's go to database, but before you install, you need to make sure these computers are joined to the domain. We have not joined to the domain yet. In Amit's computer, Amit is running behind, but yesterday when we were performing the task, we already joined all the computers to the domain. So let's promote the server. Let's see. Okay, so this one is what? Okay, so I am on the domain controller. I mean, on the the computer which says the name of the computer is DC. Okay, we have not made this computer as a domain controller yet. This is still not configured. So we need to go to which we have done all these steps. This step was done yesterday. So promote this server to a domain controller.
Yes.
Specify, add a new forest, lab.com. Next. I'm gonna put the password. This things is done yesterday, so you don't have to repeat this step if you have already done it, guys.
Today in the morning I started, so that's why I'm a little bit behind there. Yeah.
No worries, at least you tried and you are doing something, right? So that's the main motto here. So next. Install. Now what's the IP address of this computer? We will have to make the internal DNS just like we did yesterday in Ray computer.
Yes.
So IP config 10.11.1.4. Okay, have you done that already or not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, I'll make you presenter. I'll show you how to do that. Okay,
Okay.
10.11.1.4. Share your screen, please.
Just shut down.
You shut down the computer?
No, because I didn't see the power plug was unplugged, so maybe it's shut down.
Okay. Do you remember the
Password?
Azure password?
That I will retrieve today. After this classes, I will retrieve.
Okay.
No.
You are logging in to the computer?
Yeah. So just wait.
Okay, let me know when you are logged in.
Okay.
So what we have done, guys, so far, install .NET 3.5 on DB server, done. Install WADK server on WADK on a server which will be an SCCM primary server. So we have already started this. So we may say
Under progress.
done. Okay. Then all the roles and features are already installed on SCCM primary side. So we are going to say done. So these three things are done. Now the pending part is point number 10. And for this, we have to join the computer to the domain. So, and the domain controller was not ready. So we are installing domain controller. It is almost there. It's creating the DNS server now. Hi, who is this Ben? Ben Anderson? Hi, can't hear you. Can you say something? Amit,
Yes, Kasif. Still,
have you? Huh?
Can you hear me?
just give me another
Hi,
few minutes.
how are you, Ben?
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So I got the email. So I joined. I just
Okay.
want. To, yeah, I just joined this class today.
Okay. No worries. So, I'll just take you to the um, details what we have done so far, and um what we are planning to do in the next sessions. Amit, have you logged into Azure's portal?
Kasif, just I'm not able to start my laptop again. There is some issue, so just give me after instantly install. I'll just let you know. Just give me a few more minutes.
Okay, fine. Yeah,
Uh,
Ben. So you
is
received
the
the
first
email
class
from.
or sorry for interruption.
No worries.
This
This
is
is
the
this.
first.
This
Sorry.
is the day three.
Oh.
Day three. So you may say day two because the day one was the introduction session.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, what we have done on the first day is we did the introduction with each other, about uh, what is the course duration and how the course will be conducted, and what is your IT experience, your expectation. So on the second day, we started actually discussing more in details about SCCM, and we did all these steps.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, and we are on day three. So in day three, today we have done these three steps. So first, point number 9 is done. Point number 12 and 11 is done so far. Point number 10 is pending, which we are going to do in few minutes. Now, I would like you to introduce yourself and what is your IT experience, or what is your expectation out of this session?
Actually, basically, I'm a mechanical engineer. Recently, I switched my career. Actually, past last 5 years. So I did work in the IT field almost 5 years, which is in a desktop side engineer like that. I started my career as an IT assistant. Currently, I work in one of the company which is an IT desktop support engineer. So I want to learn actually because SCCM is the first one to install the patches like that from the client machine. So that's why I actually want to focus on this one.
Okay, very good.
Mhm.
So you basically uh, a mechanical engineer,
Mhm.
and later on you change your
Career path. Yes.
profile, yeah,
Mhm.
career path, and you already worked on desktop support, and
Yes.
you already have knowledge on desktops and servers, right?
Yes. The some servers, but actually the most preferably on the so like a help desk side, access service desk side, where global calls attending that all over the world. Actually, yes.
Okay, got it. So understood. So basically, you would like to get more in-depth knowledge of SCCM so that you know the server side and the
Yes.
client side, how SCCM is designed and how SCCM works,
Yes.
and deploy the application and patches and operating system and all. Very
Yeah.
good. I understood it. Okay. Ben, are you on WhatsApp?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. What's your email address, Ben?
So I have a WhatsApp, but actually not your name, not your phone number. My email address I can
No,
type.
are you on WhatsApp? Are you using
Yes,
WhatsApp
yes,
application?
yes.
Okay, so if you are using a WhatsApp application, 989-235-4331.
One.
This is my WhatsApp number. You are joining from where? India or outside India?
Outside India.
Okay. Which time zone you are in?
I'm in EST.
EST. Okay, so EST is like 9:30 when we start. So we start 8 o'clock in the morning, India time. So that is 9:30 for you.
Yeah, 9:30 is almost 1 hour. Okay.
So that time is fine, right? Every day
Yes.
9:30 your time.
Yeah, this is my
Okay.
email address. Okay.
Okay. So fine. So you can send me a hi message so that I can send you all the previous recordings. So day one, day two recordings, I'll send that to you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll do that.
Okay. Fine. So Amit, is that done?
Mm, yes, Kasif. No, I'm
Hmm?
just another few more minutes.
Another
Can
few
you
more
show me
minutes.
the phone number which I didn't write this one? Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. I'm done. It's fine.
Dilip, you are going to create your Azure account today?
Yeah, I will create today. Can you send me yesterday's class? I did not like I cannot hear you yesterday.
You did not hear me
My
yesterday.
laptop yesterday.
Okay,
Yeah,
you had some issues on your speaker side, I think.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly. So that's why I thought of hearing in the phone, but I got
Mm-hmm.
another call from my another employee. So that's why.
Okay, no worries. So you did not receive the yesterday's recording?
No, I did not.
Okay. I don't know. Can you send me a
Do
hi
you have my
message on
email
WhatsApp?
address?
Are you on WhatsApp?
Yeah,
So send
yeah.
me a hi message on
Is,
WhatsApp. I'll
is,
send
is
that
this
to you.
is this is not your WhatsApp like 845?
No, no, 845 is different. Srinivas, that is, he is my coordinator.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, that is your phone number?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Kasif.
Okay. Amit, still not happened?
If there is some issue with my, the Windows laptop, it's
Okay, no worries. So let's postpone this for tomorrow. Installation of SQL Server. We will install tomorrow.
okay.
So what we have done so far, guys, let me just give you a brief and then close it off. Okay. So on day two, we did Azure subscription we subscribed with Azure for free trial for the first 30 days. Then we created 4 virtual machines, 3 servers and 1 Windows 10 computer. We put them on the same LAN network and same resource group. We installed Active Directory domain services role in domain computer, promoted domain as a domain controller, and the name of the domain we had chosen as lab.com. Then we configured internal DNS in virtual network setting so that all the internal computers should be pointing to internal DNS rather than Azure DNS. Then we restarted all the computers and joined all the computers to the domain. These are the things which we performed yesterday. Now today we did 3 steps. Install .NET 3.5 on database server, then install WADK on SCCM server, and we installed all the roles and features whatever needed to make a server as a primary site server on SCCM server. So these are the 3 things which we have performed today. Clear, guys? So I want everyone to create your Azure account and get yourself on the same page so that you are not left behind. Okay, clear, guys?
Okay.
Yeah.
So tomorrow same time we will meet 8 a.m. India time, that is 9:30 EST, your time, Ben.
Okay. So is it possible? Can I get this on the link, which is the previous class?
Yes, I'll
Yes.
send you the recordings. Okay,
Yeah, for me also, Kasif.
sure.
Yesterday
So
and today.
yeah, Ben, you received email from Srinivas or Mind Magic? Where?
Okay. Okay.
No,
And
I'm
one more
asking you,
thing,
Ben.
actually.
Huh?
One more thing. One sec. Let me. One sec. What's this? This one actually I saw that your profile, that's your class, which is in the udemy.com.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here I see. Okay. So is the right one? Yeah. Yes.
Yes. But how did you get this link? Did Srinivas send you or Mind Magic? Or
Uh,
did
1 second. Somebody sent the link. Um, uh, this is actually SP's soft solution.
SV server? Okay, fine. I got it. Okay. Um, fine, guys. So I'll be sending you the recordings for all the sessions so far, and you guys perform the same steps and make yourself on the same page. Okay.
Okay.
Kasif, is it possible to get the PPT for the first day? It was very the basic of the SCCM. You told everything.
Fine. I'll send that to you. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Kasif.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.